Welcome to Addis Ababa, the vibrant capital city of Ethiopia, where tradition and modernity seamlessly come together. As we explore the rich heritage of this captivating city, we'll unravel its hidden gems and immerse ourselves in its vibrant culture. Our journey begins at the National Museum of Ethiopia, home to the world-famous Lucy, a 3,200,000-year-old hominid fossil. Marvel at the archaeological wonders and ancient artifacts that shed light on Ethiopia's fascinating history. Next, let's wander through the bustling Mercado, one of Africa's largest open-air markets. Lose yourself in its vibrant atmosphere as you browse through an array of spices, textiles, jewelry, and authentic Ethiopian souvenirs. As we navigate the vibrant streets of Addis Ababa, we cannot miss paying homage to the iconic Holy Trinity Cathedral. Built to commemorate Ethiopia's liberation from Italian occupation, this architectural masterpiece stands as a testament to the nation's enduring faith and resilience. No exploration of Addis Ababa is complete without indulging in its culinary delights. Treat your taste buds to an authentic Ethiopian feast, savoring injera, a traditional flatbread, accompanied by flavorful stews and aromatic coffee. To truly understand the heartbeat of this city, we must embrace its cultural traditions. Attend a captivating traditional Ethiopian music and dance performance, where the rhythm and moves will transport you to another world. Lastly, we cannot overlook the beauty of Addis Ababa's stunning natural surroundings. Take a breathtaking hike up Mount Entoto, offering panoramic views of the city and a chance to connect with the untouched beauty of the Ethiopian highlands. As our journey comes to an end, we hope you've been inspired by the vibrant heritage of Addis Ababa. From its archaeological wonders to its dazzling markets, this city is a testament to the rich history and vibrant spirit of Ethiopia. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more incredible travel experiences.